Hey guys, this is Sky. Today's challenge is flag hunters from reverse engineering. Okay, lyrics jumps from like a subroutine call. Okay, there's a hidden program doesn't print. Okay, can you print it? Okay, download the source from here and we can connect here. Okay, hit. So the program can easily get into undefined states. Okay, don't be shy about Control C. Okay, unsanitize user input. Okay, the last. Then is syntax for subversion. Okay, let's check out the source first. The list, download, and let's open the spy. We have content of flags. This prompt is starting from verse 1. Okay, up. Okay, splitting songs into lines. So this marking is in the every end of the code. Okay. User input crowd. So we have to match return with number in this range of number and split this crowd. Okay, let's try it. Copy the source. Create command like the crowd. So let's type that mark. Then we have to match that return. That mark will split the code from it. Return range 0. Let's enter. So the poem got started and we got our flag. Whereas the hint says, don't be shy, Control C. And copy the flag. Paste and submit. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.